Welcome back. It's a chilly day here in February in the garage. I think we're right now minus 10 degrees, minus 12 degrees, something like that outside Celsius. Minus 12 degrees Celsius because Canada. A couple new parts arrived today, and maybe I'll get some flack for it. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'm just going to show you what I'm doing here. I bought some Amazon wastegates, and they're going on that Coyote. If you're going to buy cheap wastegates, and I will leave a link, not a link, I'll leave a picture, a screenshot of what they are right off of Amazon. 148 bucks a piece. Basically identical to what I'm running on the Ranger right now with the 4.6. And I have not had one lick of trouble with them. They control boost great. They're a tile knockoff. They are stainless. Magnet here. Magnet no sticky. They are stainless. What you have to do, what you must do, is take these apart. And like the machining is actually pretty good. There's really nothing wrong with them. Except, let's see if I can get a better picture of this here. See if I can get some light in there. There we are. Where that fitting is, there's a lot of machining burr. So you've got to take these apart. You got to clean them up. I did notice when I pulled the cap off that the wastegate diaphragm was also pinched under, and I noticed it on the last set I had too. What I did notice too is like you take these things all the way apart. So there's some more screws inside here, and you take them out. There's an O-ring under here, buried under here. I found that O-ring was not seated properly, and it was letting all sorts of air bypass when I took the last set apart. So you take these apart, you clean them up, you clean all the machining flash and burrs off of them. Again, right into that fitting there, you see in the open hole in the back. You probably can't see it on camera, but there's a bunch of burr in there. So you take them all the way apart. You take your diaphragms off. There's they did use Loctite. So you take your set screws out here. You take that top hat off, and you pull them all apart. Aside from that, they look as good as my last ones did, and different manufacturer, but I promise you they all come from the same spot. They come with the flanges too, and they come with the sealing ring. There's your sealing ring. Come with the sealing ring that sits inside here. So yeah, I'm running a couple of $148 wastegates, and I'm running a pair of $208 max speeding rods, GT 3582 on this thing. And you know, I'm doing it with budget parts, same as I did last time. The Ranger went the best of 1037 and 134 miles an hour. So it's hustling with a bone stock 4.6 liter with soft parts, basically the lowest of the low 4.6 liter from a Lincoln Mark 8. It is a 4 valve. It's not the Crown Vic 2 valve, so it's got a bit of an advantage. But we're going to try it out. We're going to see how it works on Senior Coyote over there. And we're going to do dumb shit this summer. I did forget to mention I will be coming with a update video on the Coyote with wiring. I did a bunch of other stuff to it, like not performance, super performance, but more reliability stuff to it. So I'm not going to be breaking parts right away. But as always, you got to figure things out your own way.